Closing market comments for Monday, May the 3rd. Markets continue to have a lot of volatility in them. Everything opened higher last night with July corn up 25 cents at one point, December corn up 14, beans up 24 to 29 cents, and wheat up 11. As the day progressed, only markets sold off, with old corn and beans the only thing closing higher on the day. Traders heard rumors that nationally corn could be close to 50% planted and beans at 32. This put pressure on the markets today, waiting to see tonight's results on planting progress. Good planting weather in the western and central corn belts. Rainfall still going forward is a concern, wondering about dry weather and drought going through the summer. Brazil remains dry, with the safrinha corn crop still dry through the 6 to 10 day forecast, some people saying through the 14-day forecast. Soybean oil broke the 2006 highs today, trading at 71.59. StoneX, the old FC Stone, released their numbers today for Brazil. They have the total corn crop in Brazil down to 100.25 million metric tons. That's down from 105.1 in their last month's estimate and below the USDA at 109. They increased their soybean crop from 134 to 135.7, so a substantial increase in that crop. That is a new record on the soybean crop. Weekly export shipments were released today, with corn at 84.2 million bushels, up from 76.9 the previous week and 53.1 last year, with 43 to 85 expected and 56.9 needed. China was the largest loader of corn last week at 30 million bushels. Soybean shipments last week were 5.3 million, down from 10.4 the previous week and 14.0 last year, with 6 to 11 expected and 14.3 needed per week. Wheat shipments were 18.7 million bushels, down from 21.4 the previous week and 21.6 last year, with 15 to 22 expected and 33.8 needed. With only 4 weeks left in the wheat marketing year, looks like we're either going to have to transfer some sales to new crop or cancel some. Crop planting progress was released this afternoon. Corn planting was at 46%, so pretty close to that 50 number that was anticipated, up from 17% last week and just below last year at 48% and above the average of 36. Trade was expecting 40 to 50. Soybean planting was 24%, up from 8% last week, 7% last year, and just below the average of 9%. Winter wheat heading was 27%, up from 17% last week and below last year at 30%, below the 5-year at 34%. Winter wheat conditions were rated 48% good to excellent, down 1 from the previous week, 7% below last year, and the trade was expecting a 2% improvement. Spring wheat planting 49%, up from 28% last week, 27% last year, and 32% average. We'll try to include the state breakdowns in tomorrow's report. And just a reminder, the next crop report will be on Wednesday, May the 12th, and it will include the first new crop numbers for the 21-22 growing season. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good evening.